Cute.
Lemon.
Now she's. Hello.
Hello.
And how do you feel?
I feel great. I'm just so relaxed.
You can't wait to explore.
Looking forward to exploring this place and enjoying myself.
Happy birthday again.
Thank you.
She's so pretty. Have you eaten? Hope you've eaten so much cake.
Oh, you know I watch my weight. I eat
Wait,
moderately. You know, perhaps they have a lot of cake in there to share to people, my friends and family.
love you.
Love you more, baby.
Hello.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
So these are our meal tickets. Everybody has to get one every day.
I'm enjoying myself with fresh food.
Oh my
Fresh fruit.
God. Fresh air. Fresh air. Who is in the garden? A little friend. Who is in the garden? A little fine girl. Can I go? Santé des sols pour l'Afrique d'Ouest et le Sahel. Ça vaut du quoi? Regional. Shoes. Now we're going to switch back. Because first of all, who wears slippers, designer slippers, to go hiking. I do. Hello, girl.
Hi.
She's ready.
Yeah.
Show me how you go.
Planned for this book, but I also think it's going to be very interesting. But like, it's the person who insults me who directs it, so I expect her to do it. I'm looking forward to watching it.
Birthday celebration continues. Thank you to my children.
Oh my God.
Bless you.
She can't stop saying thank you.
Oh my God.
You're so cute.
I'm so excited.
You're so cute. I like your shoes.
63. 63. Woo! Isn't God wonderful?
I know.
Oh my God.
He is.
Oh my God. Come, let's go and play golf. Let's go.
Yay! Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
A fast learner.
At the same time, your eye will be on the ball.
I know. Let's try again. Good shot, girl. Whoa. Okay, girl.
Yes, but it's okay.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, good one.
You get that?
Yeah, this is better.
He's a golfer.
Let me tell you something.
Now she's feeling proud.
Nice one. Come
Whoa.
My turn.
Let her.
You're weird.
Oh,
No way I missed her getting that shot.
it's your turn.
Yeah.
No. Hope you're enjoying our.
For the training.
You're fantastic trainers and teachers.
Yes, really
We
enjoy
are
it.
expecting you next time.
No
All
problem.
right, no problem.
Thank you. are done for the day. Good job. Good job.
So happy. I'm excited. Thank
Yay.
you, baby.
You're welcome. We're having a dance off.
Oh, that's really nice.
Hey. Ooh. Woo. I should travel more. It's so nice. Breakfast time. Figures. Yogurt, watermelon, pineapples, and a salad. The birthday girl.
What the hell are you? And I want to go to sleep. Oh, we're about to take a 1 hour walk. It's on the house.
Really? Thank you.
Lemon.
Chichi, I want you to twerk from your big ass. Come on, baby. Thank you. Chichi, push up, push up, push up. Push up, push up. Thank you.
So flowery.
Thank you. Sing, baby. Ooh. Ooh.
spiritual universe in the clouds.
Just What? Sorry. Okay. Ready? Ready, you're not. Here I come. Let's go. I'm not gonna have to do this and this. Nice. Even we should launch it. That's very nice. Okay. Yes.
Pick up the place across the left.
Oh, okay. You can please. Push up, push up, push up.